Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to create and add a new board cover in Pinterest. So I'm on my Pinterest account, and as you can see when I scroll down a bit, some of my boards have covers and some don't, like this one. So I'm going to create a board for this, a board cover for this board today. So what is it called? This one is called Work from Home Companies. So I'm going to go and look at Google, and it tells me you need like a square design of 1,000 times 1,000 pixels. So I'm going to go to my Canva account to create my Pinterest board. So if you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for a free one, but the paid one is really, really valuable. So once you have your Canva account, go to the left-hand side. You're going to click on Create, and we're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says Custom Size. So from there, you want to type in 1,000 times 1,000 pixels, and then click on Create New Design. Then you can see I've got my new square design here. So you have tons of templates you can use, which really speed up the process. But just for today's tutorial, I'm going to just add in basic text in a different color. So I'm going to write in my board name, which is Work from Home Companies. Then I'm going to make this a lot bigger, so it's easy just to drag and drop if you want to, which really speeds things up. So I'm just going to make a little bit more space here. Then again, I'm just going to make this a lot bigger so it really shows up, and then you can center it really easily. You can change the fonts, things like that, and then you can add a color to your board cover. So if I had more time, I'd spend a lot more time editing this and try and match it up with the other boards. But just for today, I'm going to just add a color and then download it. That'll do. So once you have your board cover ready, you can download it onto your PC. Then there's just a few more steps to add your board cover. So back in your Pinterest account, the annoying thing is you can't just add it straight on as a board cover. I first of all have to upload that cover I've created as a pin and then add it to the board, then edit the board. So I'm going to create pin, going to upload my board cover I created. So there it is, just going to give it a name, just going to write board cover. You don't really need to fill everything else out or add any links in, you just need to add it to the board that you want it to be a cover for. So mine was Work from Home Companies. Then I'm going to click on Publish. From there, I'm going to go back to my Pinterest account. I'm going to find that board. And if you can't see it straight away, I'm just going to refresh the page. So that will update and my board cover will be there. Then I'm going to click in here. So I'm going to click on Edit because you can see my board cover is here. So now we want to edit the board. So at the top, you should see board cover. So I'm going to click on the plus sign. And I'm going to click on my new design to add that as the board cover. So you can move it about and scale it or crop it if you need to. But once you're happy, all you need to do is click on Done, and that will add that as your new board cover. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click out of this, and let's see if it's added it as my board cover. Okay, back to my board, and there we go. You can see that's been added as my new board cover. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.